Okay, so I'm kind of an analytical kind of thinker, and I wouldn't be satisfied if someone just said to me, this diet makes you lose weight. I would say, why? Why that diet over any other? So I'm going to tell you a few little points why. Now, it's a really big field. It's difficult to break it all down. But there are a few key points. So plant foods have a lot of fiber and water in them. This is great because fiber and water fill us up, they give us bulk in our stomachs, but they don't have any calories. So they're going to slow down the rate that we digest food and give us more of a kind of slow burn energy release, and that's going to keep us feeling energized and fuller for longer. Another amazing benefit of fiber specifically, for a long time we just thought it was just something that passed through us and made our stools more firm, or like passed through our digestion. That's not true. We know now that the fiber that we eat has a really critical role for our gut microbiome. These are our good gut bacteria. Fiber is their food. So our good gut bacteria really help to regulate our appetite and even our mood, because they release naturally occurring chemicals into the rest of our body that act a bit like hormones. These are things like short chain fatty acids. These can be really critical in our brain for helping regulate our appetite and promote weight loss. Another key point, and I think this is probably the biggest one, is calorie density. This is such a powerful concept for weight loss. I'm using it right now, okay? Like many of you, over the winter, I put on a couple pounds, easy living, staying indoors. The way that I'm just gonna lose those couple pounds is just with this concept of calorie density. Basically, every bite you have of vegan plant foods has fewer calories than a bite of animal foods or processed junk foods. So you can eat the same number of mouthfuls as you normally would, but on a vegan diet you're getting fewer calories. And this means you can still feel full, satiated, but you're going to be losing weight. Ideal. It's really, really simple, but it works incredibly well, as we've just seen with these studies.